So now let's see how we can work around with the effects library inside of Pixlr E. So here you can see that I have an image, and to apply effects from effects library, I need to go around into filter menu right on the top. And here you can see that effects library is an option. And once I click on this, you can see that there's a lot of effects that you can apply. Let's say I want to apply this effect called artsy. So if I were to click on this, I can go around and click on the effect that I want to apply. And there you go. That has been applied. You can also increase and decrease the intensity of the effect that you're planning to apply. Like night vision right here, you can go around, decrease the amount or increase the amount of night vision right here. Make it darker right here, just like this, increase and decrease the amount. You can press apply and then the effect will be applied. You can see the before and after right here. So I'm going to go around over here onto a filter, go to effects library. And if you want to apply more effects, you can simply go around over here and let's say I'm going to go around into nature, and then you can go for forest and you can increase and decrease the intensity and press apply. You can go around into filter again. And then if we were to go around into, let's say, for example, RZ again. So let's say I want to go for the Frank right here. Let me just decrease this or this one. As you can see, you can increase and decrease the intensity of this one, as you can see. And I'm going to press apply. And that is how you can work around with the effects library inside of Pixlr E. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.